Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. And today I am this is just a information video about my new Telegram channel. I have been thinking about this channel from quite some time for my subscribers out here. So the good news is I have created Telegram channel, and it's at making investments simple, as just the name of my YouTube channel itself. However, you would see the title as making investments and trading simple. So as you would know, I always keep on making informative videos about how you should initiate a trade, how you should start as a beginner, and things like that. I will be posting a lot of articles, my personal views, where the market is heading, and things like that, so that you can share your views to me. So in this, you will also be able to see me as someone who can guide you. So you can see my you can ping me personally too for any kind of queries, which sometimes I miss out from the comment section in YouTube channel. So please do feel free to write to me on this particular channel. I think this is a public channel, but you can always contact me personally to through this Telegram channel. So this is a new initiative which I have started. Very soon I will start live streaming too, on either running market or end of the day videos, or probably on once in weekends or something like that. Probably once I start, I will have a more clarity on it. So this initiative was started so that I can actually help you guys with your trade. And if you are stuck in any trade, if you are an options trader or a futures trader, and if you are stuck in any trade, you can personally ping me and ask me as to what could be a good strategy to exit with minimum losses and things like that. So please do subscribe my Telegram channel, and I will be I can give much more support through this Telegram channel, and that's the whole idea behind this. So I would see this as an opportunity to for us to stay connected, and I can share my views and also give you more trading tips and hedging techniques. So I wanted to start this channel as probably as a hedging traders, but as I told you, I would want that don't want the theme to be deviated, since I talk about mutual funds and a lot of investment themes also. That is the reason I didn't want to change the theme as such. So I will be sharing probably my live trades also sometime in the future. Also, apart from that, you can also follow me on Twitter with the same handle. You can see my Twitter handle also on the description below of this channel, and in this way we can stay connected. So thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.